Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today in English I am going to start lesson 3 down down down. But before starting the lesson we should know the word meanings of hard words. So let's start reading the hard words. The first word is beginning, BEGINNING. Beginning means शुरुआत. Next word is tired, TIRED. Tired means थका हुआ. Next word is pipped, PEEPED. Pipped means झाँकना. Next word is conversation, CONVERSATION. Conversation means बातचीत. Next word is seemed, SEEMED. Seemed means लगना. Next word is worried, WORRIED. Worried. Worried means चिंतित. Okay, the next word is hurried, HURRIED. Hurried. Hurried means जल्दी में. The next word is either, EITHER. Either means भी. Now the next word is across, ACROSS. Across means सभी जगह. Next word is pop down, POP. Pop, DOW. And down means अचानक गायब हो जाना. Next word is bushes, BUSHES. Bushes. Bushes means झाड़ियाँ. Next word is straight, STRAIGST. Straight. Straight means सीधे. Next word is tunnel, TUNNEL. Tunnel means सुरंग. Next word is drop, DROPPED. Drop. Drop means गिरा हुआ. Now the next word is cupboard, CUP. Cup, BOARD. Cupboard means almari. Next word is hung, HUNG. Hung means लटकना. Next word is pegs, PEGS. Pegs means खूटी. Next word is marmalade, MARMALADE. Marmalade means मुरब्बा. Next word is disappointment, DISAPPOINTMENT. Disappointment means निराशाजनक. Next word is tumbling, TUMBLING. Tumbling means टूटना शुरू. Next word is miles, MILES. Miles means मील की दूरी. Now the next word is saucer, SAUCER. Saucer means कटोरा. Next word is dozing off, DOZING. is dozing off, OFF. Off means झपकी लेना. Next word is heap, HEAP. Heap means ढेर. Next word is passage, PASSAGE. Passage means मार्ग. Next word is chasing, CHASING. Chasing means पीछा करना. Next word is whiskers, WHISKERS. Whiskers means मूंछ. Now I am going to start the summary of the lesson, means the explanation of the lesson. So lesson third, down down down. Alice was being to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the river bank and doing nothing. Once or twice she had peeped into the book her sister was reading, but it has no pictures, no conversation in it. What is the use of a book, thought Alice, without pictures or conversation? So she was thinking when suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close to her. The rabbit seemed worried. It was said to itself, oh dear, I shall be late." It took a watch out of his waistcoat pocket, looked at it, and then hurried on. It means that there is a girl called Alice. She was sitting near the river bank with her sister. Her sister was reading a book. In that book, there was no pictures and conversation. So Alice got bored with such a book. Then suddenly a rabbit came near Alice. The rabbit was looking worried. Then the rabbit took a watch from his waistcoat pocket and he ran fastly. Alice jumped to her feet. She had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or a watch to take out of it. She ran across the field after it. She was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole under some bushes. It means in the next paragraph that Alice got shocked by looking at a rabbit wearing a waistcoat and having a watch. So she also ran across the rabbit with the curiosity. Suddenly the rabbit was missing under a large hole. Then Alice also went under the rabbit rabbit in that hole without thinking how she will come out. Now in the next paragraph, in another moment down went Alice after it, never once thinking how was to get out again. The rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some way and then dropped down. So suddenly that Alice found herself falling down a very deep well. It means that when Alice went after the rabbit in that hole without thinking how she will come out, the rabbit hole was like a tunnel. Alice fell into a deep well. Now the next paragraph is either the well was very deep or she fell very slowly, for she had plenty of time as she went down to took a look about her and to wonder what was going to happen next. She looked at the side of the well and noticed that they were filled with the cupboards and the bookshelf. Here and there she saw maps and pictures hung upon pegs. She took down a jar from one of the shelves, and as she passed, it was labeled orange marmalade. But to her great disappointment, it was empty. She managed to put it into one of the cupboard as she fell past it. It means that after falling down in the well, Alice was thinking that might be the well was very deep or she was falling very slowly, because it took a lot of time to Alice to went down. After falling down, she looked here and there and noticed that the well was filled with cupboards and bookshelves. The pictures and the maps were hung on the wall. She took jar in which it was labeled orange marmalade, but it was empty, and she put the jar moved on. Now the next paragraph is, well, thought Alice to herself, after a fall like this, I shall think nothing of tumbling downstairs. How brave they will all think me at home. Down, down, down. Would the fall never come to an end? I wonder how many miles I have fallen by this time. She said aloud, I must be getting close to the center of the earth. Let me see what would be the 4,000 miles down. I think, yes, that's about the right distance. She began again. I wonder if I shall fall right through the earth. But how funny it will seems to come out among the people that walk with their head downward. Down, down, down. There was nothing else to do, so Alice soon began talking again. Dinah will miss me very much tonight. I should think Dinah was the cat. I hope they will remember her saucer of milk at tea time. Dinah, my dear. It means that Alice was feeling proud of herself because she did not afraid of falling down in the tunnel. She was very brave. She was continuously falling down and thinking that this tunnel was this tunnel has no end, and she has falling a mile by earth, and she was taking the distance that at least she has covered the 4,000 miles down. Again she was thinking and smiling that it is very funny to the people to walk with their head downward, and said down, 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 and saying, if I will not reach home tonight, Dinah, his cat, will miss her, and if anybody is there, remember to give a bowl of milk to him. The next paragraph is, I wish you were here. There are no miles in the air, but you might catch a bat, and that's very like a mouse, you know. But no cats eat bats, I wonder. And then Alice began to get rather sleepy and went on saying to herself in a dreamy sort of way, do cats eat bat? Do cats eat bat? It means that Alice was thinking about his cat, and also she was thinking that in the air there is no mice, but there are bats to catch, but cat do not eat bat. And by thinking all these things, Alice got into the sleep by saying, do cat eat bat? Do cat eat bat? And the next paragraph is, and sometimes do bat eat rat? She cannot answer either question, so it did not much matter which way she put it. She felt that she was dozing off and had just begun to dream that she was walking hand in hand with Dinah, when suddenly thump thump down she came upon a heap of sticks and dry leaves, and fall was over. Ali was not a bit hurt, and she jumped up onto her feet in a moment. Before there was another long passage, and then the white rabbit was still in sight. Hurrying down it, Alice ran like the wind, chasing after the rabbit. She was just in time to hear it say, and it turned a corner. Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's been getting. It means that while saying do cat eat rat, do cat eat rat, the Alice got in a deep sleep and began to dream that she was walking hand in hand with Dina, and suddenly a sound of thump thump down came, and she find herself lying on a heap of sticks and dry leaves. She did not get any injuries while falling down, and she jumped happily on her feet. And again, Alice went behind the rabbit because he showed the rabbit, and he again started a way of showing surprise. Okay, student, thank you for today's class. Now, this is your homework. You have to write down all the word meanings and you have to learn it also.